I recently visited Mangalore and tasted many a ghee roast, so I just had to replicate it back home in Toronto. Start with 2 pounds of shrimp or prawn. These have been shelled and deveined. Marinate this with the juice of half a lime, salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix this together and keep it aside. Now I will toast some whole spices. I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, a half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, a half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. I'm just going to toast these and then keep them aside. Now for the chilies, I've got 7 Big Day chilies, and because I love these chilies for color, I'm also going to be adding 4 Kashmiri chilies. Toast these as these will wake up those flavors. Once cool, add it to a food processor jar and add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of poppy seeds, half a cup of chopped ginger, half a cup of chopped garlic, and half a cup of tamarind. This is just a ball-sized piece of tamarind that I soaked in hot water. Grind this to a paste. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Just sear the shrimp on both sides and add in the marinated prawn. Just sear this on both sides for about 5 minutes and then take it off the heat, reserving any stock that's left behind after frying. Add 2 more tablespoons of ghee. This is a ghee roast after all, so don't be afraid to add more. I'm also going to add half a cup of finely chopped onion, followed by half a cup of curry leaves. Cook this for a few minutes and allow the onions to turn a golden brown. Next, take the ground paste and add it in. Mix this in with the ghee and cook it, stirring with a spatula for about 5 to 7 minutes. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to balance everything out, and some salt to taste. Now I'm going to add in some of that reserved stock. And I'm going to add in all of the prawns. Toss this so it gets coated with the masala paste and it finishes cooking. This is optional, but I like to add half a teaspoon of chili powder. And I'm going to serve this with some lime wedges and some delicious Neer Dosa. Enjoy.